Hi guys, welcome back to Spot channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to unarchive for the Facebook Messenger or the Messenger message for your Android. And for that, I wanna ask you guys, how are you? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Messenger application that you have been to install it before, and remember to get for the latest version of the Messenger is because for the latest version is to make you to better work for the Messenger is okay. After that, you can go to the Messenger application, tap on. For the next step, you can go to the photos in the upper of the left corner. And let's go to the archive chat. Step on for the archive chat. And for the next step to how to make this message is unarchived for you. You cannot tap and hold for the message that you want to be unarchived it. Tap on and hold, and you can please tap for the unarchive. Tap on for the unarchive. There's have so many options, but you just to tap on for the unarchive is focus for your goals. Okay, tap on for the unarchive, and you can see your archive is empty. You can go back for the message and see the message is unarchived or not. Okay, let's see. That is your message here, and it's mean your unarchived message is done. Is very simple way to do it, guys. Okay, I think it's enough to unarchive for the message in the Facebook Messenger on Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day. Enjoy for this video and bye.